And so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to turn this over. Sorry about the little blanket there. So this is the Anthology Suede, and you can see that it has, oak, and then it's got hickory and maple, or maple and hickory. It's hard to tell. It looks so good, so clean. And the Anthology collection is new, brand new, came out for 2020. And so I encourage you to check that out at Mannington.com, and you can actually see room scenes of those products and upload them into your home room scenes or your customers' home room scenes at floors.com/SEE, floors.com/C. And what you'll see is you'll see that where you can upload a picture from your house, a room in your house, and then you can put whatever floor you like in there. But this is just a beautiful collection, and actually it's been selling very well since it was brand new. So since we just brought it out, so a little quiz action for you. The Restorations laminate versus your typical WPC. And so you kind of want to compare the two. Scratch resistance, I would say Restorations by far has that covered. And then indentation, it's 12 mil, so it's ½ inch thick. If you've ever dropped anything heavy on a WPC, you see that there's a real good chance that it will dent. But it's so indentation resistant with the Restorations that you kind of got to give that the edge. And then thermoplastic expansion with heat and cold, expand and contract. WPC will definitely do that much more than Restorations. I don't think Restorations even moves once it's in place. Staining, Restorations is stain proof. It's fade proof in the sun. A lot of WPCs can't say that. As a matter of fact, a lot of them say you need to have some window treatments. Fire resistant, WPC will just melt. Restorations, you drop a cigarette on it, or an ember comes out of the fireplace, you just wipe it up. It won't melt. It won't catch on fire. The distance before molding needed, WPC runs about 40 feet, I believe, between 20 and 40 feet. Restorations, unlimited. And the realism and texture, that could kind of go either way. But the Restorations, with the width and the embossing, really looks good. Waterproof, both are waterproof. Your pricing, you'll find that Restorations is very competitive with WPC. So I would, take a look at that, and especially talk to your customer if they come into the store, says, hey, I'm looking for some waterproof, or I heard about the vinyl plank. Certainly show them what they're looking for, but say, hey, have you thought about this? You put a good pad underneath, you click it together, and it looks fantastic. And a lot of times people can't tell the difference between that and wood when it's there. So it's kind of a all-around product. It's waterproof like the WPC. It's hard and durable like hardwood. So it's got a little bit of everything. So it's an option. That's all I'm trying to tell you. It's just an option. So let's look over here at our dollar bill.